Welcome to Tool Mentorship, your ultimate guide for expert tool reviews and recommendations. If you're a woodworker, DIY enthusiast, or professional craftsman, you know the importance of a high-quality electric wood planer. A good planer can make all the difference in achieving smooth, precise finishes on your woodworking projects. But with so many options on the market, how do you choose the best one? In this video, we're reviewing the top 5 best electric wood planers that you can buy in 2025. Whether you're looking for a powerful professional-grade tool or a budget-friendly option for home projects, we've got you covered. We've tested these planers for power, durability, ease of use, and overall performance to help you make the right choice. Make sure to watch until the end, because we'll be revealing the best electric planer of 2025. And don't forget to check the description box and first comment for the product links so you can grab your favorite one at the best price. Now let's get started with our countdown of the top 5 electric wood planers. Bosch 3 1/4 inch hand planer with carrying case. Bosch is known for making high-quality power tools, and their 3 1/4 inch hand planer is no exception. Designed for professionals and DIYers alike, this planer boasts a powerful 6.5 amp motor that delivers 16,500 revolutions per minute, ensuring smooth and even cuts. The dual blade system provides excellent material removal, while the spring-loaded stand protects your work surface when not in use. Additionally, the dust collection port helps maintain a clean workspace. This Bosch hand planer is perfect for trimming doors, flattening wood panels, and smoothing rough surfaces with precision. Plus, it comes with a durable carrying case, making it easy to store and transport. If you're looking for a reliable and well-balanced planer that offers precision and power, this is a great option. DeWalt hand planer. DeWalt has built a reputation for producing heavy-duty and reliable tools, and their hand planer is no exception. Featuring a 7 amp motor with a 16,500 revolutions per minute cutting speed, this planer ensures fast and accurate material removal. It comes with calibrated depth adjustment for precision, allowing you to take fine or aggressive cuts as needed. The high-quality carbide blades enhance longevity, while the ergonomic grip makes long work sessions comfortable. The kickstand feature prevents accidental gouging, and the dual dust extraction ports keep your workspace clean. Whether you're leveling out rough boards or preparing surfaces for joinery, this DeWalt planer is an excellent choice for both professionals and hobbyists. Wen electric hand planer. For those looking for an affordable yet high-performing planer, the Wen electric hand planer is a fantastic choice. Powered by a 6 amp motor with a 34,000 cuts per minute capacity, this tool is surprisingly powerful for its price range. It comes with 16 positive stops for adjustable depth settings, allowing you to customize each pass with precision and control. The lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver, while the built-in kickstand prevents accidental damage. One of its standout features is the two-way dust collection system, which gives you the flexibility to direct debris to either side, keeping your work area clean. If you're on a budget but still want a reliable and efficient planer, the Wen electric hand planer is a great pick. Makita 18V LXT Lithium-ion brushless, cordless 3 1/4 inch hand planer. Makita takes performance to the next level with its brushless cordless hand planer. This 18.5 LXT model features a powerful brushless motor that delivers 14,000 revolutions per minute and provides extended runtime without the hassle of a power cord. The precision machined aluminum base ensures flat and smooth planing, while the two-blade cutter head offers impressive material removal. One of the biggest advantages is its cordless convenience, making it ideal for job sites or outdoor projects where power outlets are limited. The ergonomic rubberized grip ensures comfortable handling, and the automatic speed adjustment optimizes power output based on the workload. If you want a versatile, high-performance cordless planer, this Makita model is an outstanding investment. Craftsman hand planer, best overall. Coming in at number 1, the Craftsman hand planer offers the best combination of power, precision, and value. With a 6 amp motor and 16,500 revolutions per minute cutting speed, it can handle tough wood surfaces with ease. The depth control knob provides precise adjustments, while the dual-sided dust extraction system keeps your workspace clean. It also includes high-quality carbide blades for durability and long-lasting sharpness. One standout feature is the edge chamfering groove, which allows for smooth beveled edges, perfect for finishing work. Whether you're a professional carpenter or a DIY enthusiast, the Craftsman hand planer delivers top-tier performance at an affordable price. There you have iTour list of the top 5 best electric wood planers for 2025. Each of these planers offers unique advantages, so choosing the right one depends on your specific needs. Whether you prioritize power, affordability, cordless convenience, or precision cutting, there's a perfect option for you. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Tool Mentorship for more expert tool reviews and buying guides. Don't forget to check the description box and first comment for links to all the planers we reviewed today, so you can get yours at the best price. Which electric planer are you planning to buy? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.